Hello and welcome to my tutorial video on getting started with a Raspberry Pi. Today I'll be telling you what a Raspberry Pi is, the benefits of using one, and how to connect, set up and configure your Pi. The Raspberry Pi is a series of credit card sized single board computers. Owing to how small and cheap the hardware is in comparison to what is otherwise needed to achieve the same tasks, it is now a lot easier for everyone to have the opportunity to learn how to code a ubiquitous program, no matter what your programming background is. The Pi has general purpose digital input-output pins which can be used to receive inputs from or control outputs to the real world. By connecting various peripherals to your Raspberry Pi, such as sensors and LEDs, the device has several capabilities, including the ability to detect heat, motion, light, presence, range, and etc. Let's get started with how to connect a Raspberry Pi. First, take the HDMI cable from your monitor and connect it to the HDMI port of your Pi. Next, connect your keyboard and mouse to the USB ports of the Pi. I am using wireless peripherals for this tutorial, hence why I'm connecting a flash drive. However, you can of course just connect a keyboard and mouse separately. Next, we're going to connect the Ethernet cable from your computer to your Raspberry Pi. It is a requirement that your Pi and computer are on the same subnet. Ensure that the Ethernet cable in your computer is connected to a router. To start up the Raspberry Pi, plug in the power to a main socket and connect the micro USB cable to your Pi in this socket shown. As soon as you plug your Pi in, you should see the network LEDs start to flicker. Once powered up, the first thing that you need to do is set the username and password for your Pi. By default, the username is Pi and the password is Raspberry. However, this is obviously not very secure. Open up a terminal, type in sudo raspi-config and press enter to bring another window up. Use the up and down arrow keys on your keyboard to navigate to change user password. Press enter and then enter again. Type in your new password. Note that nothing will be displayed, but you are typing, I promise you. Press enter, retype your password and re-press enter. Finally, navigate to finish and press enter. This will reboot your Raspberry Pi.